Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13, a small video sample with the Sony Xperia X-A2 Ultra in my hand while walking in the dark. How does everything look? How does everything sound? Again, just a little quick video sample, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Sony Xperia X-A2 Ultra. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Gonna jump back up. Do a little jogging. Then we're gonna do a quick turnaround. And stop. Let's go in and zoom in here. Dirty windows. Alright, a little jogging. No optical image stabilization on the rear. Let's go up and go right into this little cart that's sitting out here on the sidewalk. Alright, you let me know how everything looks. Just a quick video sample. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. I am out. God bless.